Check the tension on that lower bracket. It's failing. Confirmed. The corrosion is worse than expected up top.
Watch the line tension. Clear on the left side, keep moving forward.
Hold position on C deck.
We have clearance. Continue forward momentum.
Hold position on platform 3. Confirmed. Starboard side is clear by 2 meters. All right, continue the slow push forward.
Clear on the left, clear on the right. Slow her down.
Apply 20% more pressure to the starboard stabilizer. Check the locking pin.
All right, team, lifts 3 and 4, proceed to the upper deck. Welders, report to the starboard cheek plate.
Look at the stress fracture here along the weld line. The corrosion is much deeper than we estimated.
Looks like we're down to 14 millimeters here, yeah?
Not surprised, given the state of this section. Make a note of it.
Log that hatch is seized. These plates are compromised. We're looking at section replacement here.
Confirming all connections are secure.
Main assembly is locked and ready, Supervisor.
Very good. Power up the system and proceed to the lower section.
Keep the pressure steady on the lower jaw section. We've got heavy runoff down here. Watch the scaffolding.
The pressure wash exposed the full extent. We have severe pitting and the welds are failing here. Easy on the hoist, keep those lines tight.
Shifting slightly, Supervisor.
Acknowledge. Continue the lift, slow and steady.
Keep it coming up slow. Ropes are taut on this side, boss. Watch the clearance on the cheek plate.
Look at the pitting on this beam. It's worse than we thought. The structural integrity here is almost gone. We need extensive plating.
And the tape confirms 1.12 meters on the vertical rib. Got it. That matches the baseline data. All right, easy now. Bring it down slowly.
Clear on this side, boss.
Hold it right there. Perfect.
Check the taper right here.
Looks good against the template. Keep going.
Okay, bring it up 5 centimeters. Easy now, shift it slightly to the left. Perfect, hold it right there.
All right, bring the hydraulics up slowly. Just a few more centimeters. Copy that, coming up slowly.
Look at the pitting on this beam. It's worse than we thought. The structural integrity here is almost gone. We need extensive plating. Watch the clearance on that joint. Make sure the edges are clean before the next pass.
Steady, steady. Bring it down another 2 inches carefully. Watch the seam on the starboard side.
This corrosion goes deep. Look at the scale on this manifold.
The fuel lines are completely frozen. We'll need cutting gear. Start logging the seized components first.
Okay, team. Focus on the fuel injectors first. The corrosion here is severe. We need to document the readings before we attempt removal.
All right, cradle that cover slowly. Watch the hoses on the starboard side. We need to inspect those passages next.
Copy that, Sup. Taking it down now.
The new housing is flawless compared to the original.
Bolt patterns match the specs. It's approved for installation. Alignment confirmed. Torque to specifications and prepare for the next component.
Confirm clearance on the P2 manifold. Looks good, boss. Torque is set.
Connector seating is good here. Maintain clearance around that manifold and continue securing the run.
Okay, easy on the hydraulics. Bring beam gamma 12 down 5 centimeters. Check the coupling pressure.
A little to the left, gentle now. Okay, easy down. Looks good, secure it.
Check the calibration on this navigation gauge. It's reading slightly high. Understood. I'll realign the sensor input immediately.
We still have a gap here. Use the jack.
Copy that, applying pressure now. A little to the left, Mark. That's it, hold it.
Looks good, boss.
All right, secure the base plate now.
Check the calibration on this navigation gauge. It's reading slightly high. Understood. I'll realign the sensor input immediately.
This section here, it's still too rough. Yeah, I got it, boss.
Ensure the feathering meets the specification on plate gamma 12.
Copy that, blending it now.
The viscosity and ratio look good. Approved for application. Watch your distance on the nose cavity. Keep those passes even and controlled. We're missing a spot right above the eye socket.
Right there, near the weld. Hit that thin spot again. Got it, boss. Coming up now. Adjust your angle on that seam. We need better coverage. Check the cheek armor. I'm seeing some pinholes right here. Get the detail sprayer ready.
This section looks good. Move over to the eye socket. I'm still seeing some texture near the edge.
Ensure all hoses are secured before we start the flow.
Verified, Supervisor. Pressure is stable.
Ventilation airflow is optimal across the deck. Adjust the angle slightly. Keep those passes smooth.
Platform 3. Maintain the current overlap. Flow rate looks consistent across all sectors. Keep it steady.
Team, confirm consistency on the starboard bulkhead. Adjust pressure on sprayer 3.
Watch the localized thickening on that bracket. Fan out the spray pattern slightly on the next pass. We need consistent coverage. The ladder stability looks good. Make sure the torque specs are logged before we sign off on this section.
How are the pressure lines looking here?
All connections torqued to spec, Supervisor. Ready for pressure test.
Stage 1 complete. The engine is fully operational.
Absolutely magnificent. Well done, everyone.
All stations, we have achieved full operational throttle. Monitor all systems for resonant spikes. Over. Pressure levels nominal.
Excellent work, team. We are officially cleared for deployment.